Welcome to JanBask Training, your premier destination for unlocking the world of AWS Solutions Architect expertise. In today's digital age, mastering AWS is crucial for architecting scalable and secure applications. And here at JanBask Training, we're dedicated to guiding you on this transformative journey. Let's dive into our comprehensive course overview. Our program is meticulously crafted to cover everything from the basics to advanced concepts, ensuring you're well equipped for the AWS Solutions Architect certification. Our courses are led by industry experts with years of hands-on experience in designing and implementing AWS solutions. Learn from the best to become the best. Now let's delve into the perks. AWS Solutions Architects are not just tech professionals. They're some of the most well-compensated individuals in the industry. On average, AWS Solutions Architects earn a salary ranging from $120,000 to $160,000 annually. With our training, you're not just gaining knowledge, you're investing in a career that offers both financial stability and personal satisfaction. Our course is designed for maximum impact. You'll benefit from hands-on labs, real-world projects, and interactive sessions, ensuring you're not just learning, but applying your knowledge in practical scenarios. Don't just take our word for it. Hear what our students have to say about their JanBask training experience and how it transformed their careers. Enrolling with JanBask Training is a breeze. Our support team is here to assist you at every step of your journey, ensuring a seamless and enriching learning experience. So are you ready to take the next step towards becoming an AWS Solutions Architect? Enroll now in the JanBask Training AWS Solutions Architect course. Your future in the cloud awaits. JanBask Training. Learn and grow.